Ahee, namukela nakambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the president, of course, loko yi suka kambe na event organizer. Yeah, so previous mga mahleketa I endle video, of course, in relation to this. Now, of course, I got lower Burukwana presents, of course, I ended the other fake poster. However, we have an update about this matter because of course, 12th June, as you can see, if you can get an account of the president, when you can get an phone, come away, you suke kambe. Itle isuka kambe na kambe manje na entele manje. Yeah, so if you want to be president of chance takers, as you can see. So this another fake event. So poster to bonus money you won in. No one got stuck on Queen. I saw it. I did not see this coming, to be honest. I thought maybe it was real. No funny. So show if a poster is well designed, actually easy because on my work injan. The original one only. The president, so it was not easy, to be honest, to detect. So page rabon rukumin van love. Yeah, so page rakon rukumin very Penguin Gardens Lodge, as you can see. So for what's Penguin Gardens Lodge, King of Tsonga Award will be live performing at night of 17 June 2023, as you can see. Let's of course compensation and stuff like that. So the official poster we end 3 days ago. So 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 12 show the 8 or the 9. It depends. Go Facebook, it depends on the hour. Look post to you, I'm not sure. So it's either it was 8 or 9. Look enter this official poster, as you can see. And then on the screen, not very because this poster, as you can see, link a post to Kasukura Montla, 12th June. Look, why Mona da would say, why an apple hand? We're not king I would see this place go, why hand and stuff like that. As you can see, le makum le makum se ko mali kona le shwanga fa kompesa sona and stuff like that. So ndawe khwena ngute kanjani. So the place really you can judge for yourself. Let's open the place. Yeah, so this is the place ya kona, as you can see yo yaleyo. You can judge for yourself. Okay, this was 2020, this was 2021. I think they used the same exact picture. And then this was this year, so now they show take us so. Okay. So so alright. Yeah, so this is actually a marketing strategy. It does work. Look at artisting as one. So come now, Ben President, nothing base. You could notify about these events and stuff like that. Because look, when I'm as one banabata yande got the place for Ben President live icon. So it's a marketing strategy. Then down later so. Go book artist va kha va ya hakelang mali ku vanhu va kota ku ya le and stuff like that. So that's why the artist ya tela va ti cancel la to endla ku ti kota ku va ti hlayisa reputation ya tona, because swa ona reputation ya artist lomu ku fika mu kuma ku yi fika yi nga humelelangi la mara vanhu va ehleketele ku yi le ku teni and stuff like that. So hi swo sweswo loko ri amukeza mi ska banta kombela mi subscribe.
Wena nita ku xavela chukele mina ku rhandza bebo mani banya matala mina a karhala na ku Satan huma folani man Satan dok pashula ka maboko we dok